All right, we're rolling. We are rolling.
I'm so scared.
I know. It's okay. All right, come on. Just open up your hand.
Hold on, I gotta close the bag.
All right, now you're good. Hey, they're right there.
I really don't like birds either.
It's great, babe. You're doing so good. Oh yeah, we need more birds. You need more.
Oh God.
Okay. Pigeon Park, welcome to
Oh,
Pigeon
they're on my
Park.
toes. They're between my toes.
Oh, they're on your toes. Oh, okay. We out here with my homie. Hey. This is Ralph.
I think we got pooped on.
Okay, I did get pooped on, but that's fine. Ralph, it's not the first time someone named Ralph pooped on me. That's for another day. All right, Ralph, you gotta get off now, cause you're just pooping everywhere, bud, for no reason. Like, why? Chill out, bud. Look, say cheese, baby. Here, let's get it close up, cause everyone needs to see this. This is a real deal New York pigeon in Puerto Rico. That one, I don't know what that is. Hey, no fighting, guys. Okay. It's getting a little outrageous. All right. Not enough. There's into my dreads. Hey, yeah. It's a party.
I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to.
All right. Not enough. There's into my dreads. Hey. This is a huge day for my wife because Marissa hates birds.
Yeah, I'm not a big bird lover.
But look at you, babe. You're doing so good. Remember when that bird attacks you? It attacks you at the zoo?
Mm-hmm.
Attacks you. Oh, yes. So much love. Yeah.
Yeah, we are.
Say cheese, babe. Are going to get no. I said no fighting. When your friends come by, you need to be nicer. Get going. Thanks. All right, this is Bird Park. Pigeon Park. Jeez Louise, man. Anyway, come feed the pigeons. Yeah. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the cool reps. Again. Spidey. Yo, man.